Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Dogecoin price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis and looking at the weekly chart to go a little bit in the history of Dogecoin to see what happened before and what it might happen, of course, for the next price action in several scenarios, bullish and bearish. So what we are looking at here is a 1 ABC for a wave 2 running flat, 3, 4 and a 5 finishing a wave 1 in the yellow scenario, or a wave A in the magenta scenario, and we're looking here at 1, 2, and then 3, and then 4, and a 5, looking for wave 5, which we did not took the all-time high yet. Now, your wave 4, of course, has a bottom tier, possibly as an A, a B, and a C in this area. And after this comes a little bit the complication with this wave 5, in case we are in a wave 5. So basically we have finished here 1, 2, 3, 4. Your wave 4 interfere with your zone 1, so it's not an impulse. It's not a contracting diagonal, of course, because this is already not a contracting, it is expanding. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, is it possible that this is an expanding diagonal again for a wave 5 in the yellow? Well, it is possible, of course, because all scenarios has been yet disabled or invalidated. Yeah, there is no other option so far, unless we are talking here about 1, 2, 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5, and 4, 5 again. Yeah, to reach this wave 5. So this is also a possible scenario, but your invalidation point is the 0.22 here, then. If the price action touch the wave 1 here, because this is 1, 2, 3, and then 4, if it invalidates, of course, then yeah, the only possible scenario to move for higher would be, of course, a zigzag here for a wave 5. Yeah. If we move directly from here, I would say also possible 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. Yeah, to finish this wave 5, possibly, of course, for this impulse in the yellow scenario, which is the most possibility, of course. Most highest. Now, if we take a look at the magenta, we probably here finish a zigzag, meaning finished 3 waves up, right? 3 waves up and 3 waves down for ABC here. In case we don't take the high, you will transform this into A, B, and a C, of course, toward the downside. And yeah, we might finish this wave C here, and it might, of course, unfold a scenario, a blue scenario. It might reach until these fib levels, by the way, or simply here as a wave B, 3 waves down, and then looking for higher prices for a wave C, of course, for a regular flat. Yeah, it could be a regular flat here, so 3 waves up, 3 waves down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 somehow, for this scenario, of course, in the blue. Now, very possible even that the wave B can dive very deep because it's a regular flat. It can reach those fib levels, but it is, yeah, very far scenario. It is, of course, so far levels here from 31 cent to 0.003. That's very, very far. So for Dogecoin, that is those scenarios that we're talking about it right now. That is one still have one move toward the upside to finish a wave 5 in this yellow, take the high, or simply move toward the downside. Now there is also another scenario where you have a longer wave 4 here, A, B, and a C, which is the magenta as well. It can play also as a wave 4, meaning this wave 4 in the yellow can switch to this area or here, yeah, and then of course start a wave 5 later on from this low. But your invalidation is the 0.01 or 0.02, let's say 2 cents. If we come to this area and we invalidate here with the zone 1, or we interfere with the zone 1, this yellow scenario is not an impulse anymore, and it is more in the blue count, which it can be a zigzag or a regular flat here, regular flat, of course. 3 waves up, 3 waves down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are the scenarios basically. Now we are looking a little bit on the 4 hour or on the daily. We're looking a little bit for lower prices, as you can see, and we might also fall down a little bit impulsively, as you might see. yeah, we have kind of like, it looks like three waves here. Actually, it looks like three waves rather than an impulse. But here again, of course, corrective and moving impulsively. So this might be, of course, a correction and might be, of course, our wave C for this zigzag. Because here we have finished, of course, probably several 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, probably, and we're looking here for another correction and probably moving for higher. Yeah, higher, and that means, of course, we might reach this wave 5 here in the yellow scenario to finish, of course, this impulse toward the upside. In case we are in double 1 2 1 2 here, 3 4 5 4 5. This is what you would like to see. Now, of course, there is several 1 2s here, but probably it has been finished, yeah, in the top over there. And also don't forget that we can consider here a leading diagonal. One of these 1 2s or three of them can be considered as leading diagonal. It can be 1 2 and then 1 2 3 4 5 4 5. Yeah, so basically we have topped here. I would say in case we are in double 1 2, but very low possibility because this wave 2 is very longer than this one and kind of losing momentum, but giving us a feeling for an expanding diagonal here, right? When you start to see something like this, this is a perfect expanding diagonal, yeah, but you would like to see a zigzag here, the last wave. Therefore, I still looking after one more wave, and this is corrective. So basically, I would say if we dive deeper a little bit here, let's find a target for this area. If we, yeah, let's take the 1-to-1 fib level for a regular flat. Here we go. This is exactly an yeah, perfect confluence. As you can see, if we dive, our target is the 0.23 cents as an A, B, and a C, and moving for higher. It is good that the target is above the invalidation, because if we come back to this point, as I mentioned, if we are in double 1 2 3 4, of course invalidated, and then yeah, we have to say, of course, we are in different scenarios, probably moving for lower as A, B, and a C for a deeper wave 4 in the yellow, or A, B, and a C for a wave B in the blue count. Yeah, the blue count, which is a very massive wave C toward the upside after it, in case, of course, we finish this three waves moving for higher again. So that was it for Dogecoin. Let's watch these prices. Watch the 0.23 cent, this target, and of course the invalidation to not interfere with your wave one. From there, we take it with a new analysis. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.